Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Skype call. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So yeah, I have to just log in into your Skype account, and on the left side you will see a lot of options. So here you have to just go to the call, and once you click on call you will get a two option. New call, which is just an audio call, and the second one is just for the video call, right? So if you want to go to the video call, of course, if you want to share your screen, you have to choose meet now. So once you click on meet now, you can just join a meeting or host a meeting. So here I will just show you host a meeting, and once you are into the host your meeting, it will say is creating your shiny, whatever it is. And here you can just type your name, and this is a copy link. You can share this link, so if you want somebody else to join your call, they can join it. I will just click on start call. So continue without audio. I didn't give the access of my audio as well as video. And I will show you how you can screen share anything on your laptop or PC. So here on the right side, you will see basically this option of screen share. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will show you that what you want to screen share. So here I can just select anything, right? On the browse tab, I can just select the tabs which is open on my browser. And I just go to Windows, and I can just select whatever the, whatever the tabs I want to show them on the screen. And by the way, the third option is entire screen. I can show them each and everything what I'm trying to do over my laptop or PC over my screen. So you can choose any one of them. For example, let me show you. At here I will choose that, for example, this is entire screen. Or I can just go to the Brave, and here I can just share my Kindle, and I will just click on share. Now here I can just see here, and basically everybody will able to see on this screen. And once I am done, I will just click on stop sharing, confirm stop sharing, and the screen sharing has been stopped. So this is how you can screen share. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.